Hello everybody and welcome back. Recently from PetSmart, we got my cat these catnip flavored treats, and he said he'll try one for a video.
Yummy!
I don't know why he's wanting to do this.
These are catnip flavor.
I will
we
try
all know
to.
what catnip does for kitties.
Honestly, I think it's a good idea for him because he's already hyper enough.
Under 2 calories per serving. I need that. Alright, here we go. Come out of the bag.
Does it taste good?
Not really. That tastes bad though.
That's a surprise.
Huh. Yeah. Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
Mom.
Yeah.
What the heck? Okay then. Okay. Yeah, that's never happening again. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.